Hello guys, so we are again back with our next video on the same chapter, equation of a straight line. We are nearing the end of the chapter now. So I'm expecting that you have done all the previous videos properly and by now you have learned all the concepts. So today we are almost at the end of this unit. I am going to solve questions today. Questions based on the concept of a straight line, 1 point form, 2 point form, and intercept form and all these things. So I am expecting that by now things are very much clear to you regarding the coordinate geometry, section midpoint formula. We will going to post next unit now after this, that will be geometry. So I think within next 2-3 videos this unit will be completed. Let us move on with the question solving. जो लोग concise से solve कर रहे हैं, they can find it in the exercises. We are going to solve today the questions regarding the straight line and the form of a straight line. So I'm not solving all the questions. I'm going to solve almost all, you can say many of them. I want you should solve them on your own as well. So the first question I'm going to solve here, the basic questions. Equation of a line whose y-intercept is 2 and slope is 3. You can see it is a straightforward question of the form y equals to mx plus c. You put the value of slope as 3 here and your answer is y equal to 3x plus 2. Very straightforward, simple formula based question. Let's see next question. Y-intercept equals to -1, theta equals to 45. Those who have seen the previous videos, they know m equals to tan 45 equals to 1 and y-intercept is c. The form of equation y equals to mx plus c, y equals to 1 into x minus 1, y equals to x minus 1 is equation of line. I'm expecting that जो हम करवा रहे हैं आपको इनसे आपको concept building में help मिल रही है. हमारा अभी focus जो है वो केवल maths के ऊपर है. We are going to post the videos on bio as well very soon. Stay tuned. Subscribe the channel please. So here comes the question on the point and slope form. You can see the point is -4/3, slope is -4/3 and x1 y1 is -3/4. Y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Y minus 4 equals to -4/3 x plus 3. You got 3y plus 4x equal to 0 or 4x plus 3y equal to 0. Line does not have any constant term, or you can say its intercept is 0. Line must be passing through the origin. Now I again suggest you should keep on telling yourself about the various things the equation is telling you. जितना आप इस चीज को डिस्कस करेंगे अपने आप से, अपने आप को इन्फॉर्म करते रहेंगे, अपने मन में रिवाइज करते रहेंगे, कॉन्सेप्ट उतना ही क्लियर होता जाता है. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो, question going to provide a passing point and is going to provide somehow how to find the slope. So you can see here inclination is given to us. So you got m equals to tan 60. Now for these values you must recall and revise or learn the values of tan 30, tan 45, tan 60 and all these things. Generally the value of tan for this chapter because slope is tan theta. Y minus 4 equals to root 3 x minus 5. y minus x to 3 equals to 4 minus 5 root 3. That is the equation. That is the equation of a line which has passing point 5, 4 and the slope as root 3. क्वेश्चन को बिल्कुल कॉन्सेप्चुअल वाइज जो उसका बेसिक प्रोसीजर है वो कभी भी चेंज नहीं होता है. क्वेश्चन माइट हैविंग डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज, डिफरेंट approach might change. So I'm writing here the approach might change, the concept remains same. सो कॉन्सेप्ट पे वर्क करिए, कॉन्सेप्ट पे पॉइंट ध्यान दीजिए, कॉन्सेप्ट को बिल्डअप करिए. यू गॉट 2 पॉइंट्स हियर, x1 and x2, y2. You had a 2-point passing form, and I told you there that we are not going to use 2-point passing form. Rather, we get to find the slope from these two. 2 minus 1 upon 1 minus 0 gives you 1, and then use y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. I'm doing it here. Y minus, now you can choose any one point from these two, either 1, 2 or 0, 1. Y minus 2 equals to 1 x minus 1. Y minus 2 equals to x minus 1. Y equals to x plus 1 is the required answer. So you can see that is how we can solve these questions where 2 points are formed. So what I'm doing in all these questions, I'm just finding a slope and one passing point. That is my basic requirement to find the equation of a line. You got 2 points P and Q given to us. आपको gradient निकालना है. Gradient slope का ही second name होता है. So m equals to 5 minus 6 upon minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 upon minus 5, that gives you 1 upon 5. M equals to 1 upon 5. Equation of PQ, y minus y1 equals to m x minus x. Y minus 6 equals to 1 upon 5 x minus 2. 5 by minus 30 equals to x by 2. 5y equals to x plus 28. That is the equation. It's as simple as that. आपने slope find out किया है और आपने यहाँ पर एक passing point pick कर लिया, and the equation is, as you know, y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Write the equation repeatedly. आप जितनी बार equation को लिखते हैं आपको फॉर्मूले सारे याद होते जाते हैं. So try to write formulas as many times as possible in every equation. And वैसे भी आपको हर जगह पर पहले फॉर्मूला लिखना चाहिए और उसके बाद वैल्यूज को प्लेस करना चाहिए. आप इसकी हैबिट डालेंगे अगर, तो आपको बोर्ड एग्जाम में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. So I have m equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 got a slope. Now they're asking the point where line intersects x-axis. I'm expecting that you all know that the point lying on x-axis has the coordinate x comma 0. So replace x comma 0 here. 5 into 0 equals to x plus 28. X equals to minus 28. The coordinates are minus 28 comma 0. The question is clear, I guess. Questions are easy and simple. Now this is a reverse question of that. We got 2 points again there and asking for the y-axis point. So again the same procedure. आप slope निकालेंगे. -1 minus 4 upon 2 plus 3 minus 5 upon 5 gives you -1. So now equation y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Y, we can take point -3, 4 also and 2, -1 also. That's your choice. इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं है. Y plus 1 equals to -1 x minus 2. y plus 1 equals to minus x plus 2. X plus y equals to 1 is the answer. They're asking the point of intersection of y-axis. So the concept here, every point lying on y-axis is coordinate 0, y. You put 0, y here. 0 plus y equals to 1. Y equals to 1. The passing points are 0, 1. That's how you do these questions. You got the points like this. Y equals to 1 is the coordinate of the point. Understand? As where line is passing through the y-axis. Right. So this question, generally board gives you questions with diagrams onto it. So we should put focus on such kind of diagrams. It's a very easy question. You see here, we have this line AB and line CD. Line CD is having an inclination of 60 degree with x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. So M equals to tan theta, or M equals to tan 60, or M equals to root 3. Slope of CD is root 3. For AB now, M equals to tan 45, M equals to 1. So for AB is 1. Now they are not asking us, I'm just telling you how to find the slope of this. They're asking us that from the equations of AB and CD. So हमको अगर equation निकालनी है, I should have a slope and a passing point. Passing point is 3, 4 common for all, for CD also and for AB also. So equation of AB, y equals to y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1, y minus 4 equal to 1 x minus 3, y minus 4 equals to x minus 3, y equals to x plus 1. Equation of AB for CD. I'm looking directly now. Y minus 4 equals to slope for CD is how much? Root 3. Y minus x root 3 equals to 4 minus 3 root 3. The answer of equation for CD is this. So I'm expecting questions are not difficult. Questions are very easy. Questions are as such usual. The concepts are being used. You should make a triangle for this question always. Mark the points. आपको हमेशा ये काम कर लेना चाहिए. बिना डायग्राम बनाए आप क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं करते हैं. इक्वेशन ऑफ मीडियन थ्रू ए. डी पॉइंट ये मीडियन है. मीडियन बीसी के मिड पॉइंट पर आएगा. बीसी का मिड पॉइंट 7 plus 1 8/2. 8/2 is 4. 8 minus 10 is minus 4. 4 comma minus 1 is the passing point of the median through BC. Why I'm finding the midpoint of D? Don't I have any other thing else to do with this? Then why all these points are given to us? Median कैसी लाइन होती है जो कि मिड पॉइंट पर आती है किसी भी ट्रायंगल के वर्टेक्स से? तो मीडियन जो है वो ए पॉइंट से डी पॉइंट, बीसी के मिड पॉइंट डी पॉइंट पर आएगी. अब मेरे पास लाइन एडी के दो एंड पॉइंट्स हो गए, 3,2 एंड 4,1. ये पॉइंट ए है ना. आपको पता है क्या करना है, आपको स्लोप निकालना है -1 -2 अपॉन 4 -3. -3 is the slope for m, so slope is -3 for this line. Equation of AD, y minus y minus 1 equals to minus 3, taking this point, right? Y minus 1 equals to minus 3 x minus 4. Y plus 1 equals to minus 3x plus 12. Y equals to minus 3x plus 11 is equation of a straight line, is equation of median. Understand that is equation of median. So median निकालने के लिए आपको हमेशा उस बेस का मिड पॉइंट निकालना चाहिए जहां पर वो ए पॉइंट से आ रही है, और फिर एडी की इक्वेशन के लिए एडी का स्लोप और एडी की इक्वेशन निकालनी चाहिए. The following figure shows a parallelogram ABCD whose side AB is parallel to x-axis. Side AB is parallel to x-axis. Slope of AB is right away 0. Angle A is 60, vertex 7.5 for C. For the equation of BC and CD. CD is parallel to AB. So slopes are equal. So for CD, slope is 0. Equation of CD, y minus 5 equals to 0 into x minus 7. Y minus 5 equal to 0 is equation of line CD. Whatever equation is parallel to x-axis, it will never have the variable of x into it. It will only have the variable of y and a constant term. Please remember to check your answers in these kind of questions. The line AD and line BC are parallel. So that means I should have some method to find the slope of line AD. As you can see here, line AD is inclined to AB as 60 degree. If I produce this line like this, then you see this angle and this angle both are 60 each. That means AD line is inclined to x-axis at the angle of 60. So slope of AD is tan 60. It's root 3. Slope of AD is tan 60. That is root 3. Equation now. So equation of BC, y minus 5 equals to root 3 x minus 7. You can find the equation ultimately y minus root 3x equals to 5 minus 7 root 3. That is equation for line BC. I hope these questions are clear to you. I'm giving you these solutions of 10 questions here. Let us solve few more questions. Questions are easy. You can repeat the questions in your copies. Keep on noting these questions in your copy along with me. जब तक आप कॉपीज में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, आपको इनके आंसर्स याद नहीं आएंगे. ये आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होगा, आपका प्रोसीजर क्लियर नहीं होगा. मैथ्स के क्वेश्चंस कभी भी आप देखकर या पढ़कर सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते हैं. आपको उनके सॉल्यूशन करने का, कौन सी चीज के साइन चेंज करने हैं, क्या चीज शिफ्ट करनी है, ये सब तभी आता है जब आप उसको कॉपीज पर लिखते हैं. The next question. Passing through origin. Again, make up in your mind. आपके पास दो पासिंग पॉइंट आएंगे. आपके पास एक पासिंग पॉइंट या एक स्लोप आएगा. ये पूरे क्वेश्चन का प्रोसीजर है. आपको अल्टीमेटली क्वेश्चन में से दो पासिंग पॉइंट निकालने हैं या एक पासिंग पॉइंट और स्लोप निकालना है. वो आपको कैसे भी करना है. लाइन परपेंडिकुलर है किसी गिवन लाइन के, लाइन किसी दो पासिंग पॉइंट से पास ऑन हो रही है, व्हाटएवर इट इज, बट अल्टीमेटली it is in this form. So let us see this, what we can do here. What they're saying, the line is passing through the origin and the intersection of two given lines. say AB and CD. This line you can take AB, this line you can take CD, and this point is E. This point is O. I need to find the value of point E because I need to have two passing point for the required line. This is the required line. डायग्राम हमेशा बनाइए कॉपी के अंदर. डायग्राम बनाने से आपके पास एक पिक्चर फॉर्म में क्वेश्चन कन्वर्ट हो जाता है और आप उसमें आराम से पता कर सकते हैं कि हमको क्या मिल रहा है क्वेश्चन से. हमको उसमें से स्लोप मिल रहे हैं या हमको उसमें से दो पासिंग पॉइंट मिल रहे हैं. तो आई एम सॉल्विंग दीज इक्वेशंस. x plus 2y equals to 7 and x minus y equals to 4. Passing point becomes 5, 1. This point is 5, 1. Now you can understand what next. Equation का slope निकालिए. 1 minus 0 upon 5 minus 0 gives you 1 upon 5. Equation निकालिए. y minus 0 equals to 1 upon 5 x minus 0. If I do it directly, 5y equals to x equals to 5y is the required equation. जो भी लाइन ओरिजिन से पास हो रही होगी उसमें कोई भी y इंटरसेप्ट नहीं होगा. It will not have any y intercept into it. Question is clear to you, I guess. Alright, we have solved the question of median earlier. So I'm not solving this question. I'm just giving you a basic idea of this question. You have the triangle. You got 3 points given to us. You've got to find the vertex median through A. So point A is 4, 7 minus 2, 3, 0, 1. The point D is minus 1, 2. Find the slope of AD. That is 1. Y minus 7 equals to x minus 4. Y equals to x plus 3. This is the part of answer of first part. So आपको मीडियन दिखाई पड़ रहा है. आपने मिड पॉइंट को फाइंड आउट किया. आपके पास मीडियन के दो एंड पॉइंट्स आ गए. आपने उनसे स्लोप फाइंड आउट किया और एडी की इक्वेशन आपको वहां से इजीली मिल गई. The next they are saying is that equation of a line through vertex B and parallel to C. Through vertex B and parallel to AC. Now these two lines are parallel. So that means the slopes are equal. Concept equals parallel lines have got equal slope. So slope of this line passing through B is 1, but the passing point changes. So the equation becomes y minus 3 equals to 1 into x plus 2. Y equals to x plus 5. Y equals to x plus 5 is equation of a line passing through point B and parallel to AC. Right, a different question. So again, the first concept, draw the diagram. Vertex, the question of a line through A perpendicular to BC. BC is the baseline. Point B, point C, and point A 0, 3. This is point D. For the equation of a line through A and perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular to BC, ABC, A is 0.3, B is 4,4, C is 8,0. Through A perpendicular to BC. Now, you should have in your mind that what I require for this line AD. For line AD, I require slope. Now, we don't have any method of D is the midpoint of BC. Median नहीं है, perpendicular bisector भी नहीं है, केवल एक perpendicular है BC के ऊपर. BC का slope निकालिए. BC and AD are perpendicular. Condition for perpendicularity, m1 dot m2 equals to -1. -1 into m2 equals to -1. m2 equals to 1. For this, slope is 1. So y minus, so that we have got the slope of the perpendicular from point A on BC. I don't need the coordinates of point D here because I already have a provision to find the slope of line AD by the process that line AB, line AD and line BC are perpendicular to each other. So say the value, equation of AD, y minus 3 equals to 1 into x minus 0. Y equals to x plus 3 is the equation of perpendicular from point A on the line BC. I hope you understand the difference of finding equation of median and the perpendicular from any point on base BC. ये इसका और previous question का difference है. वहाँ पर हम मीडियन निकालने के लिए पहले मिड पॉइंट निकालते हैं, डी और ए पॉइंट के स्लोप निकाल देते हैं. यहाँ पर हमको पता है कि लाइन जो है वो बीसी के परपेंडिकुलर है. हमारे पास डी पॉइंट निकालने का कोई तरीका नहीं है. सो वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ स्लोप ऑफ बीसी और द बेस, उसको m1 मान लीजिए. m2 स्लोप ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड लाइन बिकॉज दे परपेंडिकुलर, m1 m2 इक्वल टू -1. आप इस लाइन का स्लोप फाइंड आउट करके और उससे और 0,3 पॉइंट यूज करके इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम एनी पॉइंट ऑन द बेस बीसी. मेरा ये सजेशन है आप लोगों को कि क्वेश्चंस को एक बार बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना चाहिए. क्वेश्चन को देखिए वो कितने मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन. दिस क्वेश्चन जनरली कम्स फॉर 3 मार्क्स और 4 मार्क्स. नाउ वी शुड नॉट जस्ट डू देम विदाउट ड्राइंग डायग्राम. डायग्राम रफ बना लीजिए, डायग्राम अपने पेन से ही बना लीजिए. डोंट, जो और अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं, जो एफिशिएंट है, जिनकी स्पीड ज्यादा है, they can use pencil also to draw diagram, but otherwise you can make the diagram by using pen also, but it must represent clearly and neatly along with your solution. equation को लिखिए, points को उसके बाद place करिए. I hope you understand this. Next question is absolutely same as the previous question, just drawing diagram, not solving for you. Perpendicular dropped from the point -1, 2 on the line 1, 4 and 2, 3. PQ, आपको PQ की इक्वेशन निकालनी है. AB का स्लोप यू कैन फाइंड आउट, उसको m1 मान लीजिए. PQ का स्लोप m2, m1 m2 equals to -1. That gives you the slope, the slope of PQ. Passing point is -1, 2 for the equation of PQ. Absolutely same like this question. No difference here. In this question and in this question, only language is changed. The procedure is absolutely same. So this question, I will solve a question in two ways. You have been given x-intercept and y-intercept. Let us solve the first part. So x-intercept 5, passing point 5, 0. Y-intercept 3. passing point 0, 3, slope 3 minus 0 upon 0 minus 5, minus 3 upon 5, the slope of the line. Equation y minus 0 equals to you can leave it here, 5y plus 3x equals to 50. The other method of solving this equation can be by using the intercept form of the straight line. I have given it to you in the previous video. X by a plus y upon b equals to 1. This is a, this is b. Your choice. You solve it anyhow. You got the exact same answer. This depends upon you how you are solving the question. You can use this state directly the intercept form of a straight line, x by a plus y upon b equals to 1, or you can use the other procedure. You can find points, find slope, and then the equation. It depends upon you किसको आप कैसे करते हैं. I hope I'm clear to you everybody. The next two questions are absolutely same like this. अगर आपका x intercept -4 है, passing point -4,0 हो जाएगा, और intercept 6 है, passing point 6,0 हो जाएगा. Or you can say x upon -4 plus y upon 6 equal to 1. X upon -8 plus y upon -4 is equals to 1. Both of them are absolutely same. Understand the concept behind this question? I hope these questions are clear to you. Why here? हम जो questions करते जा रहे हैं आपको समझ में आ रहे हैं. So I think I will take other questions in the next video. We have solved 15 questions here. इनको practice करिए एक बार. हम बाकी के questions आपको आपके next video में post करेंगे. जितने questions मैं करवा रहा हूँ आपको इस videos में, इनको अपने आप copies में प्रैक्टिस करते जाइए, लिख कर देखते जाइए. आपको इससे एक प्रैक्टिस होगी और एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में ईज रहेगा. मैं एक बाद में वीडियो पोस्ट करूंगा, इसमें मैं सारे बोर्ड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके दिखाऊंगा आप लोगों के लिए. दैट विल बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सॉल्व बोर्ड क्वेश्चन्स, दैट बिकॉज इट गिव्स यू आइडिया दैट हाउ यू आर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस and what is the level of questions you get in the board exam. Our ultimate target is to keep your focus clear on the board exam. That are the marks which meant for all. आपको उस बोर्ड पर टारगेट करके चलना चाहिए. आपको बोर्ड क्वेश्चंस जो PYQs हैं, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस हैं, उनको बहुत ध्यान से सॉल्व करना चाहिए. I hope I am getting clear to you. These videos are going to help you a lot. I always expect that. Wait for the next video. We'll continue the questions from here onward. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel. Share करिए वीडियो को, कमेंट करिए. You want any question? I will post the link of the assignment of straight line very soon. Give me some time within next video or next to next video. I will be posting some links where you can download the assignment for your practice, and you can always ask me the doubts and suggestions and doubts and any other question you have to by commenting it or by sending me on my number. It's my WhatsApp number also. By then, see you.